Okay, hi.
Hi, Jason.
How are you doing?
Simon, if you remember
Simon.
from the wand.
Oh, okay, yes.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
it's
we
the wand
met
turntable. Okay, yes.
in the States.
Yes. So this is your, are you just with your wand and what?
No. So Venice,
This is us.
Okay.
who's the designer in Avicina,
Hi.
from Meta.
Okay.
And so Venice was from Greece.
Okay.
So Venice was one of the original founders of Epsilon, which is why we've got a full Epsilon suite.
Oh, okay. Epsilon, okay.
Jason has a big video hi-fi channel in the States.
Okay.
Remind me what it's called.
Audiophile junkie.
Yeah, I thought that's what
Not
it
that
was.
big, but yeah.
I didn't want to call it something else if
yeah.
it was wrong.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm very interested. Is this a new speaker?
Yes, new.
Okay, open baffle. You're using an AMT?
No.
Is that
So,
a raw ribbon?
business 3.3.
Ribbon, a raw ribbon?
No, it's not a
Not
ribbon. It's a ribbon that made themselves.
You made the ribbon yourself?
And it's transformer coupled.
Wow, okay. I gotta listen to this, so. And what about the rest of the drivers? Are those made by you as well?
No, it's
Okay.
SB Acoustics.
SB Acoustics, okay, cool. And is that the only model you have, or do you have?
For now, it's the only model.
I mean, different color on the one inside.
Okay. All right, very interesting. What is the baffle made of?
Birch plywood.
Birch? Okay, cool. All right, let me go listen then.
Sure.
Hey, thank you. Okay, I can see why it's popular. Sounds nice. I can see why it's popular. Nobody's getting up.
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
What is the price point on the speakers?
35,000 euros.
35,000 euros. Okay. And then your turntable, the wand.
Yep. So that's the one master turntable with the new dark light tone arm on it.
Uh-huh.
So the turntable base is about roughly 7,000 euros.
Okay.
And the arms 7,550.
Beautiful.
So,
Yeah, that
yeah.
beautiful workmanship for that money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm pleased with how it sounded
Yes.
too. You know.
Yeah, they're playing the vinyl there. That was very good. Very
It's
clean.
a very nice My Sonic Labs cartridge too.
Okay.
I think it's the bottom model, but it's still expensive by most people's standards. So.
No, I was very impressed. Very quiet, very dynamic,
yeah.
clean.
No, it works well with the speakers.
Yes, very good. Well, thank you for showing me that. Maybe I'll try to come back if I can get the sweet spot, but it's popular.
Yeah.
Okay, take care.
See you, Jason.